to my channel, wonderful family. So this is a very easy option if you're looking at like how to include smoothies in your diet. This is a very easy smoothie option. You're using only three ingredients. It's not the kind of smoothie that you combine and combine a lot of things. And I love it so much because it has almost everything I need. It has a little bit of fat, it has the necessary vitamin C, it has the necessary fiber, it contains the necessary carbs, and that makes it like the kind of smoothie that you can use for breakfast or even dinner. This kind of smoothie will leave you fuller. Of course, we're using bananas, and I'm using 4 bananas. You can see what I did. I simply just removed the peel of my bananas. I used 4 small bananas, and one of those bananas contains about 70 calories. So it's filling enough. So that's about almost 300 calories for the bananas. I'm adding some frozen strawberries as well. I love strawberries so much. This particular type are sweet but are still tangy, meaning that it's like sweet and sour. So it has the right balance and you enjoy it. I'm someone that I enjoy sweet and tangy. So this kind of bananas would definitely help you if and the strawberry combination if you're looking for something that is not too sweet but at the same time has that kind of taste. So guys, I combined with some yogurt, some natural yogurt. Feel free to use Greek yogurt if you wish. I use all natural yogurt unsweetened, and I'm just blending all this in my food processor. So the next thing I want to say is that if you don't want it like if you want it finer, let me just say if you want it finer, you can use a blender. But I like the fact that I can still feel a bit of the fruit in my mouth. That is why I use the fruit processor. But if you want it finer, like well blended and well ground, then you can use a blender because the food processor might not break it down for you completely. It makes you have the dregs. So guys, this is one of the best smoothie combinations you can get. If you love this, kindly subscribe to my channel and please subscribe us and share for more videos. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.